Welcome back to day 2 of our Shadowing English Speaking Practice 5-day English Speaking Challenge to learn English. If you've been searching for an encouraging, hype-filled English speaking practice for beginners and intermediate learners to genuinely learn English speaking, you've officially found your crew. Today, through targeted shadowing English speaking practice, we are going to sync your ears, mind, and voice so you can speak naturally and master authentic spoken English. Look, I am seriously so proud of you for showing up today. Life is busy, notifications are pinging nonstop, but you chose yourself and your goals today. This is how real breakthroughs happen, one focused day at a time. To speak fluent English isn't some rare magic trick reserved for a lucky few. It's built on consistent, daily practice English speaking. You don't need to be flawless, you don't need to sound robotic, you just have to keep moving forward. Think of this space as your ultimate upgrade from boring spoken English classes. This is your personal speaking gym. Instead of lifeless worksheets, today we dive back into shadowing English with clear, deliberate, and relaxed phrasing. Whether your dream is to master everyday speaking English or explore how to learn English pronunciation in a British accent, listen to the melody of each word, tap into my intonation, and repeat it right back to me. Just 10 minutes of intentional English shadowing practice each day is enough to rewire how you communicate. Your pronunciation, your confidence, and your effortless flow are about to take off. Remember, this is way more than just another standard English podcast for learning.
Have you ever had that exact moment, maybe standing in line at a bustling coffee shop in downtown Chicago or sitting in a high-stakes Zoom meeting where the perfect response was right on the tip of your tongue and then absolute radio silence? Your brain completely froze, searching for the right vocabulary. We've all been there, and honestly, traditional grammar drills just don't prepare you for the speed of real-life conversations. You want to speak English with total ease, but here is the game-changing secret. Speaking English fluently isn't about cramming rules from a dusty textbook. It's all about muscle memory, natural rhythm, and self-belief.
English, this is your creative studio and vocal workout. Come back every single day and practice with me in this complete English speaking course. You are actively leveling up from A1 to A2, breaking into B1 and pushing all the way toward B2 fluency. Advanced conversational ability isn't far away. You're literally building it with every breath right now. Drop the perfectionism, because making awkward mistakes is just part of the glow up. Your brain thrives on rhythm and repetition, and shadowing English practice trains both seamlessly. Just copy my tone, repeat the cadence, and feel the natural beat of real English. Let's bring some fire, confidence, and positive energy to this session today. Feel the genuine power behind your voice. If you haven't tackled day 1 of this speaking challenge yet, hit pause and give day 1 a spin first. Every single day stacks on top of the last, so give yourself the full experience. Remember, this isn't a race or a competition. This is your personal journey, your safe space to evolve, and how you finally bring that dream to speak fluent English into reality. The game plan is super simple. Listen carefully, lock on to my voice, repeat after me, and watch the screen for keywords. This is your dedicated shadowing English speaking practice. Let's speak English clearly, confidently, and with great intonation, together. Listen to me first, then echo it right back out loud. We'll deliver each phrase 3 times, slow, crystal clear, and completely natural. Pause whenever you need to breathe or reset. This is your stage. Let's dive into sentence 1. I am learning to speak fluently, one word at a time. I am learning to speak fluently, one word at a time. I am learning to speak fluently, one word at a time. Brilliant. Feel that rhythm settling in. I practice English because I believe in my growth and progress. I practice English because I believe in my growth and progress. I practice English because I believe in my growth and progress. I can feel my English getting better with every shadowing practice. I can feel my English getting better with every shadowing practice. I can feel my English getting better with every shadowing practice. Awesome! Let's keep that momentum rolling. I speak slowly, clearly, and with confidence. I speak slowly, clearly, and with confidence. I speak slowly, clearly, and with confidence. I am not afraid to make mistakes. They help me grow. I am not afraid to make mistakes. They help me grow. I am not afraid to make mistakes. They help me grow. Beautiful delivery. You are doing incredible.
I repeat what I hear, and my brain starts to remember naturally. I repeat what I hear, and my brain starts to remember naturally. Fantastic energy. Let's conquer the next 4 sentences together. I use shadowing English every day to train my ears and my voice. I use shadowing English every day to train my ears and my voice. I use shadowing English every day to train my ears and my voice. Even if it's hard, I keep going because I want to speak fluently. Even if it's hard, I keep going because I want to speak fluently. Even if it's hard, I keep going because I want to speak fluently. When I shadow English sentences, I learn real pronunciation and natural rhythm. When I shadow English sentences, I learn real pronunciation and natural rhythm. Brilliant! Let's pour everything into our final sentence for today. I am proud of my progress, and I know I can do more every day. I am proud of my progress, and I know I can do more every day. I am proud of my progress, and I know I can do more every day. Look at you! You just crushed day 2 of our Shadowing English Speaking Practice 5-day English Speaking Challenge. Give yourself a massive high five or a happy victory dance right where you are. You showed up, you did the work, and I am ridiculously proud of you. Remember, you can rewind, replay, and loop this video anytime you want a quick vocal tune-up to speak fluent English. The more you consistently practice English speaking, the sharper your natural spoken English and pronunciation will feel in real life. If this session gave your confidence a boost today, do your future fluent self a favor. Smash that like button, send this to a friend who needs a daily speaking buddy, and hit subscribe so you don't leave me hanging for day 3 tomorrow. Drop a comment below telling me which sentence resonated with you the most today. Keep your energy vibrant, keep your head high, and remember, you've totally got this. I believe in you all the way. See you tomorrow.